How to download videos from Google Photos. So we're going to start off on photos.google.com. That is a web browser URL link you're going to want to type in. So you can go ahead, go to this page here. Then you should be able to see your photos and videos. But if you want to see videos specifically, you can click Explore on the left-hand side. Then click on Videos in the Category section. There you'll be able to see all the videos, or you can just go ahead and just type in videos at that top toolbar there. Then you're going to see all the videos here. So whatever video you want to download, go ahead and click on it. Then go to the top right hand corner where you see the three little dots where it says more options. Click on that, then click on download there. You will see at the top right hand corner, if you're on Google Chrome, or it might be a little bit different if you're on a different web browser, it downloading in the top right. From there you can drag the file and put it in to your desktop, or you can put it into a file, whatever you want to there. You can go through and do that to all your videos if you want by just clicking the three little dots and clicking download. Leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.